आप देख रहे हैं वेब दुनिया। मैं हुरूना आशीष और अभी जिस जगह पे मैं खड़ी हूँ मेरे पीछे आप महिला शक्ति को अच्छे से देख सकते हैं। ये वो महिला शक्ति है जो हमारे देश को पूरी दुनिया में इस तरीके से प्रचलित कर रही है, इस तरीके से सशक्त रूप से बता रही हैं कि भारत की बेटी हो या फिर भारत की महिला हो, उसे रोक कोई नहीं सकता। मैं अभी जो आई हूँ वो आई हूँ एक फ्लैगिंग सेरेमनी हुई है उसके लिए, और इसमें हमारे देश की तीनों सेनाएं, जल सेना, वायु सेना, थल सेना, तीनों की महिला ऑफिसर्स को बुलाया गया और सेशल्स तक उन लोगों ने सफर तय किया और अब वो वापस आ चुकी हैं। ये है ट्राई सर्विसेज ऑल वुमेन सेलिंग एक्सपीडिशन, जो त्रिशक्ति नारी नाविक अभियान, आज इसका फ्लैग ऑफ किया जाने वाला है। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बाद मुझे लगता है पूरी दुनिया को दिखाने का समय आ गया है कि भारत में वेद पुराणों में जिन महिलाओं के सशक्तिकरण की बात कही थी वो सिर्फ वेद पुराणों की बात नहीं है, असलियत की बात है। और ये जो महिलाएं हैं, जो नारी शक्ति है, ये इसी का परिचायक है। आप देख सकते हैं बोट पर से भी कुछ महिला अधिकारी निकलते हुए। यहाँ पर फ्लैग ऑफ किया जाएगा।
Power on. Power on.
Yes, do that.
Everyone. I would like to give you all a brief overview of Mumbai Seychelles Mumbai Sailing Expedition. The expedition took place in two phases, phase 1 from Mumbai to Seychelles and phase 2 from Seychelles to Mumbai. The flag off ceremony took place on 7th of April 2025 and the crew was flagged off by Lieutenant General A.K. Ramesh, Sena Medal, Commandant College of Military Engineering, wherein 6 women officers undertook the journey from Mumbai to Seychelles covering approximately 1800 nautical miles. In leg 1, the winds were initially favorable that allowed us to cover significant distance. However, an anticyclonic system soon developed along our route, reducing wind speeds to 1 to 2 knots. The crew was stuck in doldrums for almost 10 days, which was the real test of our patience. A major milestone was achieved on 29th of April 2025 when we crossed the equator for the first time. It was a proud and symbolic moment for all of us. After crossing equator, we experienced heavy rain-bearing clouds and winds gusting up to 25 to 30 knots. The team reached Seychelles on 3rd of May 2020. The team reached Seychelles on 3rd of May 2025 and we were warmly received by High Commissioner of India. We were honored to call on by Chief of Defence Force of Seychelles, High Commissioner of India to Seychelles and Minister of Foreign Affairs and Tourism. The crew also got an opportunity to interact with the students of Maritime Academy and got to witness their education system. It was a prestigious moment to represent the Indian Armed Forces in a foreign land and contribute to strengthening bilateral ties between India and Seychelles. Just about reaching a destination. It was about navigating the deep sea, testing our endurance, overcoming a fear of heights and fear of unknown in the depth of ocean. The sea challenged us every day, pushed our limits and became our greatest teacher. It taught us that preparation is power, teamwork is strength and determination is key to survival. The boat and the crew were tested under extreme conditions, but in the end we made it home not just as sailors, but we came back stronger, wiser and more united than ever. The last 50 days of our journey have been captured in a short video that will be presented on the screen.
From then.
Things related to what it symbolizes and what it requires for the women who were novices just 2 years ago to have come up to this level and undertake such an expedition. I'm very happy to say that whatever efforts we made in that direction have borne fruit. It is a proud and deeply inspiring moment as we gather to celebrate the successful return of our sailing yacht Triveni and the sailors from Seychelles. Today, my heart swells with pride and admiration for the team of these courageous women, warriors.
To the chief guest on behalf of the team.
All the best. Thank you.
Great.